kama jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen twak gi jofwambo chal mar arita ma pachoka.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. I'm going to be making a statement and then take a few questions on the state of the police reforms in Kenya. In the past few years, police reforms have gained significant momentum following the infusion of National Police Service, its objects and functions in the Constitution of Kenya. These milestones have led to institutionalization of various reforms in the service, and this has resolved historical systemic issues, ensuring that police aligns with our democratic principles and constitutional standards. Police reforms in our recent past has become a focus of accountability, service ethics, and restoring public confidence, breaking away from the outdated colonial legacies. Article 244 of the Constitution of Kenya mandates the National Police Service to strive for the highest standards of professionalism and discipline among its members. Progressive police reforms globally aim to enhance public safety, improve public and community relations, and strengthen accountability. The Constitution further obligates the National Police to comply with the constitutional standards of human rights and fundamental freedoms. The servicemen and women are required to be trained to the highest possible standards and competence and integrity to respect human rights, fundamental freedoms, and dignity. Undoubtedly, the officers have committed themselves to their professional duty, and we have a tremendous improvement of policing in our country today because of these continuous reforms. We therefore applaud the personnel that have committed themselves to constitutional obligation of ensuring highest standards of professionalism and discipline. We condole with the families of those officers who have lost their lives in the line of duty. Regrettably, in the last 10 years, we have lost over 600 police officers directly in the line of duty while working to secure our country, to combat crime, and in enforcement of law and order, including during public protests. The strength and sustained growth of our nation could not have been possible without the brave, selfless, and dedicated service of our gallant security officers. Their commitment and sacrifice have been instrumental in ensuring the safety and stability we enjoy today. Nevertheless, we continue to face immense challenges in our pursuit of ideals enshrined in Article 244 of our Constitution. These challenges compel us to relentlessly strive for legal, institutional, and constitutional reforms aimed at enhancing the quality and the effectiveness of our police service. The Kriegler report laid a foundation towards police reforms in Kenya, Unfortunately, despite this well-intentioned framework and constitutional backing, meaningful reforms have stalled. Key challenges such as the limited operational independence, inadequate resourcing, and increased cases of police brutality and impunity have reversed much of the initial gain. As such, the promises and ideals of Kriegler report remain largely unfulfilled, even